Hope all of you are fine. Today I'm going to discuss you about the max mean average function of Excel program because this is so important formula for Excel. When we go to for any calculation, this formula require several times. So now I'm going to show you how to use this max mean average formula in Excel. So for that purpose already I taken some dummy data and with the name and the class. So from that perspective, first I have to input the max value here, and I have to close this using parenthesis. Now I will give the range of the data. Now it's fine. Now it's given the maximum value of this row, and if I will double click on the plus point corner, all rest of the student maximum number already find out using that. First, just 1 minute. Using this formula, max formula. So there is in several ways we can use this maximum max formula, max function. Here is we can use range, we can use value. Something value means I am giving want to say something, I mean like that, 50, 60 and 70. Below one also like this, 50, 60, 70, and not max. Here will be 80 and here is 60. Something like that. Just I'm giving you the example somehow in which ways in several process we can also use this maximum value. Just in common general we can use continue process, something continue process like, and another function is minimum value. We can identify the minimum value. We can identify the minimum value as well, because minimum value, for that purpose I have to write mean and give parenthesis, close, and give the number range, and finally it shows the minimum value of this row. So if I will double click on the corner of this cell, automatically rest of the blank space already fill up by the values, and given all positive values. So another minimum values. So we can write this minimum value in several ways, as like maximum values in range value, and value we can, whatever the number of value we require to put in, we can put use that inside in the minimum parenthesis. So another is average function, that for it is when we use calculation in Excel, definitely we will require this average value, for because each and every time we require to find figure out the average value or average amount of summary calculation. So this function is so important for calculation in Excel. Let's see how we use the average function as well. Average, if we double click on here, here is also given in the hints or drop down the average formula in summary. So I will give the range and close the parenthesis. Here is the average value of this student, and including 5 subject. So rest of the value also fill up, and we can use this average value in several process. We can use range, we can use 3 values, we can give 2 values, we can give more than 3, 4, 5, whatever the number we want to put inside the parenthesis to find out the average of that number, desired number. So I hope all of you understand the use of maximum, minimum and average function of Excel. If you have any problem, write down in the comments box. I will explain you in giving you the details.